welcome to the channel.
Replacing engine oil for Honda Civic 2009 today. I have a light on the dashboard, shows 15% right now, engine oil light, so I decided to change it. So I already raised up my car, and here is it says engine oil, so this is the bolt you need to open, and for that you have to use number 17 socket. Okay, it's all ready to drain here, and here is the filter. This is the filter, so just beside it. So this is where it's gonna open. And this is the filter. Okay, I'll start up. Okay, I lose this bolt already, so make sure put the bucket underneath. So I'll open the cover so that I can take some air. The rest of the oil will go out. It's been 10 minutes, I think. Oil is still dripping. Just gonna see if I can open the filter without making mess here. Okay. So I have this tool actually to open the filter. You can use this. I bought it from Canadian Tire, I think. I don't know. So it stopped dripping now. It's less, so I can maybe put a bolt back in. But what I'm gonna wanna do is open this up first and loosen it up already. A little bit. I need more. So I'm gonna use the Castrol GTX. This is not synthetic, I'm just using the regular, because I usually change it every 5,000. And the model for this is 7317 for the filter. I was using the same one before, so time to put it on.
Thanks for watching the video.